guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rashi. Today I'm going to film a video on how to do facial at home. I have also posted a video on how to do bleach at home, and it is a very good video if you want to try to do bleach at home. I will try to mention the link in the description box below. And today I'm going to use this particular Joey's 24K Gold mini facial value kit. This is what I had purchased from Beauty Palace, which is in Andheri. So I purchased this one, and it comes up with various steps of doing the facial at home. So here is cleansing, scrub, massage, face pack and moisturizer. So it comes up like this, and it is very convenient. You can do 3 times or 4 times facial depending upon how much product you use and how frequently you do. And I really don't know the price of this product. Yeah, so it is for $5.95. I will again try to mention the link down below if I can find the product online. So this is what I'm using, and I have showed you guys the bunch of products that I'm going to use. I will be showing you guys the bunch of products that I'll be using with alternatives, what other things you can use if not this. And I have purchased few products from Amazon, so I really wanted to try them out as well. So without any further ado, let's get started. These are the products that I'm going to use today to get the facial done at home. I'm going to do it on my own, and these are the products that you require. Well, I have few options right here, so not necessarily you need everything that I have. Like, I do have alternate options what you can buy, and most of the stuff is purchased from Amazon. So this is one kind of a hairband that you need to secure your hair in place. This is a jade massage roller. This is a blackhead remover. I have few ice cubes. This is the Joey's facial kit. Here I have a sponge to clean the face. This is the derma suction, what you can use to remove blackheads or whiteheads from your pores. Here I have the 5-in-1 beauty care massager, few cotton pads, steam machine and few napkins to keep in handy. So these are the bunch of products I'm using. So let me talk to you guys about these two in much detail. My suction pore cleaning device, you can use this to remove the blackheads or whiteheads from your face. This is a very good product. It does give effective result, but if used harshly, it will leave behind scars, which is not very good. So yeah, this comes with 4 different kind of heads, that is oval, small, sonic and large. And I have used a small head, and I did see there was a lot of dirt inside the head. And yeah, just the only con about this product is that it will leave some scar behind, and that is not very appealing. So it has pros and cons both, and this is the review. So yeah, and the next product I have is this 5-in-1 beauty care massager. So it is this this machine has 5 attachments along with it. It has brush, it has sponge and all different kind of heads it has. So you can see this is a massager roller kind of a thing. This is to scrub. This is a soft sponge. I don't know what you can use this for, but I'm definitely sure you can use it to massage or something. This is a brush for cleansing. This is also one more sponge for you can say massage, just soft cleaning. Well, I did use this product as well when I received it, but this I feel it to be harsh on the skin, so I'm not a big fan of this product. But yeah, I did love the massager and the soft sponge one. And this you can use very occasionally, because this can damage your skin if it is used frequently. So I advise not to use it much if you are purchasing. And these products are very cheap. They are not very expensive. I will try to put the link and the price for the same. I purchased both of those from Amazon, so you can get a better idea about the pricing and everything. So let's get started. Use the cleansing cream. It will help you to remove any kind of product if is there on your face, or if any kind of dirt or something is there on your face. Then you can do this step and first clean your face, and then we start on to doing the other steps. This product smells amazing. So I don't do facial frequently, but if there's some occasion or something coming up, only then, and that too I don't get it done at salon, because at times what I feel is that professional is sometimes harsh with your skin when it comes to scrub and all. So I sometimes feel it's better to get certain things done at home. So massage very nicely. Now I'll take a little bit of ice cube and I will massage on my skin. Ice always helps in tightening your skin. Even when you're just going out, just do a little bit of ice massage and see how much your skin will start glowing. So this is the first step, and now we'll move on to the next step. Step is scrub. You should be very gentle with scrub because it has tiny particles in it that can rub against your skin, and if it's done harshly then it will give you rashes. So be very polite with it and very gentle and smooth, but don't keep on rubbing. This helps you in removing your dead skin, but it should be done very softly. Massage each product for 3 to 5 minutes, especially a product like scrub or cleansing. The massage step you can do more, like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, but this you should not exceed more than 5 minutes. So wherever you have your pores, you should massage it well over there. And now I'll just take the steam and I'll be right back, and then we'll do how to remove the pore cleaning, the blackheads and the whiteheads. So I'll just do a steam and be right back. So this is how my face looks after taking the steam. I've taken the steam for 5 minutes. It will let my pores become very soft and it will help me remove the blackheads very easily. So today I'm using two tools. I'm going to show you both the tools, how to use it. This is the manual one. This is one of my favorite one because you have a control over pressing it and pushing it to remove your blackheads and the whiteheads. Wherein when you use the machine one, so it has a very powerful suction, although you have a low and fast speed. But again, if you are very slow in even pulling it, you can see how much it can pull. See. So if there is a chance you stop at any place on your face, it will give a very tiny scar and it will take days for it to go. So you have to be gentle about that as well. So first I'll show you how I remove manually. You have to take this part of the blackhead remover and softly just move wherever you find the pores. So now I'll do the ice massage again. once ice massage is done, you can again just dab your face and clean everything with the help of a sponge. The next step is massage. And massage, you are going to do it for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. It totally depends upon how much time would you like to spend for your own self. So there are going to be very easy and few steps that you will be learning it in the next video. So this is the last step of the facial, like the second last step, that is the face pack. Face pack helps you, your pores get closed and your skin get relaxed and calm after all that we have done. And I'll let this dry for at least 10 minutes and then I'll rinse off and then we move on to the last step. The final look, you can see the glow and everything. You have to keep the moisturizer for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, and only then if you want to clean, then clean it with water. And as well as you can see how much glow the skin has got after the massage that we did. And it is a very easy, simple, and the steps makes it very easy for us to do it at home. You can do it very quickly also, like 1 minute for each step and you're ready to go. It's a very easy cleanup or facial that you can do at home. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below what you want to see next, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching.